Is your Insignia Fire TV acting up, freezing, lagging, or not responding properly? Sometimes the best solution is to start fresh. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Insignia Fire TV to factory settings, step by step, whether you can access the menu or your TV is completely frozen. Let's get your TV running like new again. Step 1. Understand what a factory reset does before we begin. It's important to know that a factory reset erases everything: your apps, Wi-Fi connections, and accounts. It restores your Fire TV to the original condition it was in when you first bought it. So, make sure to back up or note down your app logins before proceeding. Step 2. Reset from the settings menu. If your TV is working but just running slow, follow these simple steps. Go to the home screen on your Insignia Fire TV. Navigate to Settings, the gear icon on the top menu. Select My Fire TV or Device and Software. Scroll down and tap Reset to Factory Defaults. Confirm by selecting Reset again. Your TV will take a few minutes to restart and return to its original setup screen. Don't unplug the TV during the reset process. Step 3. If your TV is frozen or you can't access the menu, no worries. You can still perform a reset using your Fire TV remote. Turn on your Insignia Fire TV. On your remote, press and hold the back button plus right side of the navigation circle for 10 seconds. You'll see an on-screen message asking if you want to reset your TV. Choose Yes, Reset, and wait for the process to complete. If that doesn't work, unplug the TV, wait 1 minute, plug it back in, and try again. Step 4. After reset, setting it up again. Once the reset is complete, your TV will restart and show the initial setup screen. Select your language and Wi-Fi network. Sign in with your Amazon account. Reinstall your favorite apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video. It's like getting a brand new Fire TV again. Step 5. Bonus tips for best performance. Keep your software updated. Avoid installing too many background apps. Use a stable internet connection. Restart your Fire TV every few days for smoother performance. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Insignia Fire TV to factory settings. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and comment below what issue you fixed with this reset. I'll be posting more helpful Fire TV guides every week. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Fire TV experience.